on the mix we have Marcia. Well, Marcia is dissing this man. Well, I don't know who he is, but she's doing it in a most subtle way. Now, as we know, Marcia always, once she is dissing someone, she will come and she will, you know, do her little thing. But this one, she's dissing him in the most subtle way. We don't know who he is at the moment, but she said that she will be posting a picture of that said person tomorrow. So go ahead and catch the video, see what Marcia has to say, and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so when I post you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating
Shower
a
like me,
wonderful
don't
birthday
talk to me.
today, I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, prosperity throughout this, your
I saw me just
beautiful
a
year.
year a while ago.
And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my
If you don't have
followers,
hot water, your shower can't run like
remember,
this without you worry to see how long you stand in the shower.
a
Oh, little
beautiful,
ugly black boy, don't talk to me. One little ugly black boy will come on social media going like irrelevant and all cuss me. Come off of Facebook, come off of you. You can't get, look how long you want to get me a fire. If you get me a fire, where you get contents from? Black ugly boy? You can't even chat, you stammer like. Eh? You have come out of woman business. You're too damn enough. So what that too hot? You're too damn enough, man. Eh? You know how long it takes that for me? He was one of the instigator, the over the fence. As over the fence drop a video, him take it up. It no matter if nobody don't take you up. Him take you up and carry. Everywhere. I in that. Eh? Go if you have come off of Facebook. If me no make video, you don't have no money to feed you look hungry with the pit no beer ball in the background. You ugly like. You come and talk about the man that want me. Who don't want you? Who ugly? My man them have to look good. If my man them black, them have to black and good looking. And tall and handsome. You ugly, who do that to you? Miss you little idiot boy, come pick up your apartment. You can't cuss me, go to woman business. I got to do. Eh? You can't cuss nobody. You come like an old jaw scratch. You come from YouTube and whatever, run up your mouth every day you from me. If it don't me, you don't have the content to talk about. Because I am relevant money. When I love to talk about people that have nothing in America from where people that have. We have insurance. We have food stamp. We have all kind of things. What the government give it. So your government will give you one ras. Right now, what if I scrutiny right now? Whatever going on in Jamaica, whatever happening in the darkness must come out in the light. That is it. Jamaica corrupt. They say, you know soon hear what kind of water you are going to hear when the PMP them take over. Because the PMP them going to win again with all this scandal we are going. The PMP them bound to take over. Watch and see. Well, you can't tell about people. Can't worry about Marcia. Marcia quite alright. In an empty apartment. In my apartment, so I catch a car in Dono. I catch a man here. Where is it? I catch a man here. And I catch a people here. Me never catch nobody here yet. I left Football Village. I never catch nobody can tell me to catch a yard from the Football Village. From the come out of Woodland, it's a whole house. No girl and no boy. The area talk about one girl where sublease my apartment. And 1 month I stay in that. Up until today they show me $500. I'm going to get me $500 back yet. Yeah, she never, you talk about that she used to mind me. Who mind who? I must say 3 times or so maybe I see the girl there. Mind who? The girl can't mind me coming and damn crutch. So I know who you are fresh yourself with. And she owe me $500. And she's the one that owe Marcia can't have money. Me not ready to carry her court. Feet. Because she going to need it in the long run. Anybody will rob me, we see what happens to them. You can't see it that focus on social media will come out. I'm here a threat, I'm not coming off nowhere. The only reason why me stay up right now is because say me have something doing. And that's the only reason. And because me I try to start out my apartment. And me I go to school in the daytime. That's the only reason why me come out of social media. Just because me going back to school and I check something. Otherwise, more than the on social media, here the secret come out now. Yes, just because I'm taking my class, I'm renewing back my license. That's the only reason why me stay up on social media. Just because me are renewing back my nursing license. Because you know business slow. That's the only reason. Yes, here I go and I said it. Here goes with my big mouth. Go up on my big mouth. That's the only reason why you people don't see me like that. So I want to concentrate. Yes, that's the only reason why you don't see me at the work. I want to study and do my little thing. That's the only reason. As soon as we don't have it right back up there. So nobody thinks that because I retrieve and surrender. I can't take a little class and I want to concentrate. Eh? Yeah, nobody, it's up to body. Eh? You understand? A 2 soap me made with. Me nice expensive soap right there so. Yes. I may have just me use dial first. Yeah. And then me use my milk and honey right here. My milk and honey right here. A 2 soap me use dial first. And so I may use my milk and honey. You understand? And when we use my milk and honey, I'm going to use this one. You understand? See it here. Body wash with vitamin C. And this I can use right now. Don't write yourself with me. I'm like that to the body. Don't write yourself with me. Nobody not start like a man. You understand? You write yourself with me. Right now, hold on. Me use Glow Radiant Vitamin C with Dr. Teal body wash. And then there's something they use from a 3 soap me use and something when I wash myself with. You're right. Ugly and skin wrinkle. Now when I wrinkle that your wrinkle dick where you have for you. Me can't manage your dick ugly. Because you're black and ugly so me know say you're not circumcised. Me know say I was a country boy, doctor never circumcised you. So me know say where you have on your trousers front. It most black and ugly. Because you black and ugly. You can't track me. I follow fashion. I bring up people here. Go ahead. Go wash your dirty body. You need some bleach. My man is black, but he's good looking and clean and he's soft. Yes. The man is blackest man never chat to him in my life. And the only reason why I chat to him is so black every time good looking. That's the reason why. Because I chat to black man. You have to have a little color. My friend, yes. Most of my man, I chat to my life, they're brown. Yes, that's how we family, they kill people in the state. The only reason why I chat to him, normally him and the blackest pigmentation man never chat to. But he was good looking. You understand? If that's the only reason why. Otherwise I never chat to him if he never good looking too. I would have never chat to him. When anyone chat on the phone and hear me or not. If he never so tall and so I would have never chat to him because he's too black. But black are the berry and the sweet and the juice. And he's very nice to me. I have to do not perfect in a bed. Otherwise, I pay brown in the chat. So, we'll chat to you black stuff. Go ahead. And go about the business. But come up on social media. What the rest you get content from? Ugly sour boy. Me not calling him because I don't want to go over the 12. Anybody put on anything in name, delete it. And the members only next one that say, oh, we not give him no knowing. Because in view not carry nothing more than 1,500 and 1,300. The only time in view carry 1,000 and when he talk about me. Otherwise he don't get one last view. Yeah? Right now you don't want $100 from me. Out of my sheet money. Big up to the people that buy sheet. Thank you very much. Yes, my dear. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. But baby, dirty skin. See how we belong in my shower? Hot water, honey. Hot water. Hot water. We can stay there as long as I want to. But we not need to be staying here because maybe this man already. But I have to be at man in the night before me go on my bed. Well, you can't chat to me? You can't chat to me. You're an idiot. Come on social media and look relevancy and I call up people name. You look here that way. You don't can't compare to me no blogger up here. Every blogger up here broke pocket blogger them. Every last one of them a broke pocket blogger. Every last one of them up here. Where they depend on YouTube money one time. Especially when they are Jamaica. Big and small, they depend. If you don't get a little check, not now go on phone. Facebook and YouTube saving a life. May I ask you now? Yeah. YouTube and Facebook saving a life. Yeah. So I go out with Jamaica right and they're not even hire nobody. They're not even, you can't even get a job. If it wasn't for YouTube and Facebook, you end up in a jail. You'd have probably a face still buying. You can't go and talk to nobody? Please. But catch. Me, Marcia, can't ever catch nobody yard. Me come out of Woodland Village and my cousin live across the street and I go rent hotel. And my cousin have an extra room up there. Because I know I want my privacy. Because I love my privacy. And I spend up how much $1,000 in my bank account. And for the whole time. I never catch up. Now my family there. And all my friends them I say, Marcia, my friend them can testify to that. Go on and your sister them. Don't spend up so much money. Every week, me call my sister them and tell my sister them say me I come. Me can't reach it. Every week. Ask my friend them. My auntie, my friend say, Marcia, go to North Carolina. Go stay. Me say no, me love my privacy. Because it's very, it's when you live by your own. For how many years it's hard for you to catch with people. And then you have to be in a house, you have to talk low. You can't do what you want to do. Me? No, me dear. And when I go to the bathroom, I rub up my skin with radiant cocoa butter oil. And that me use $7 feet. And we not make me use good things. That's why my skin have to be so pretty, whether I fatty pretty. But my belly big. Take a look. And look on the bloggers them around Facebook. And who you call big high and belly. All who now worship on social media, fear belly bang too. All of them have bang belly bang about you. None of them, you hardly find a blogger on here with a good shape. There is some fault about them. Then who you talk about bang belly? My belly in the bang. My belly high and belly. My belly, look here. My belly soft like a porridge. A 7 pound me lose since me dip on the Ozempic. 7 pound dirty boy. By next year, me I tell us me look. Make you tell us me drop 130 pound. Yes, high and belly. High and belly at the backside. Then I wish one I know. With me I grow a grey hair. Of course me I grow a grey hair. Me I grey from in my 30s. The first part me see grey hair pan up on my pussy. From me in my 30s. 1 and 2 grey hair. And yes, me I grey hair. Sometimes I see 1 and 2 pop up in my eyelash. Yes. Me have a regular hormone from me around 1920. So of course, me used to go to what you call it? How would the doctor name? An endocrinologist. Where you can't afford. You can't even afford a urologist. You go check up on your prostate. Go ahead. I hope when you reach 50, you can't have 40. You can't afford to go on a urologist. You go check up on your prostate. Me, Marcia, get all medical. All of them we chat about grey hair. The whole of them did agree. A grey under them chin, a grey under them first thing. When you have the pigmentation or whatever it is, the grey hair. Who? Your body can't tell me about hair. How some of them face look like a soursop. At least my face don't look like a soursop with my hair when my hair growing on my chin. Of course me have hair growing on my chin. So what? Just like there are some people out there who have hair growing on their chin and they wax it. At least my skin still smooth same way. For them one look like some of them one bumpy and blacky who over there chat me. Them only can chat. Tell them to go take a mirror and look on and then crutch and see what happen. Tell them. Tell them to go lift up. Tell them say, them to go show them face. And see if they not agree too. Me agree from in my 30s, but that's all the while. Then I who made the first somebody put a contact that on blogging page like me for if you talk. Eh? Then I who from in my 30s, Mr. Grey here. Then I what? Then what is your problem? Eh? I mean the only small out here we grow we go wax. Me no wax. If me no wax my face with a damage. I used to go to beauty Chinese people go wax back in the days. And when me start wax, the whole of my face, under my chin, start get bumpy and all kind of way. And get bumpy. Make sure I'm a little closer. You look at me. What you tell me say? You have to rewind and come again. You have to go, this is close that crush up man, in your laundry bag. You have to go rewind and come again. When it come to cuss me about my grey hair, me am 51 year old, me supposed to grey. I am 51 year old, I am supposed to grey, honey. Yes, me dear, me supposed to grey, me am 51 years old. See this a face, huh? Me am 51 years old. You see no spot in my face? Eh? No, you see any spot in here? Me don't have no filter. You see any spot in there? No. You see no spot in my head? You see no spot right so? You see nothing so? No. No. Me have a little beard and my chin is going. You see my face blocky? No, honey. No. No, me look good. Me look rass good. My face look good. See there? My face look good. You see no black spot on my eye? No. Not a bumbo clot. The black spot under here. No cold mine under here. And I'm 51 years old. You see me look like me stress? You see? You see the black spot under here? Look here. Where you see? You see any black spot under here? No. No! You see a little bit of wrinkle for 51 years old. Look at my skin. No filter. Look at my skin. No makeup. What are you talking about? Only when we make up my face like, you see it. You see anything on there, sir? Nope. You see anything on there? No. You see my skin? No. Go ahead. I move for you. Bright and hot harder. My smooth, nice skin. So what if me have a little hair on my skin? And look and whatever. Yes, make it stay there. Me go next month, me go get a laser. A long time I get a laser. I will get treatment and get a laser before I get worse. So when you hear them start gray, you can't laser them. So I will get it lasered. Yes. The brighter out harder. Both face wrinkle. See? See me I put on 24 karat gold. See there? 24 karat gold me buy Macy's. Right? So expensive cream. Where you not have. See there? Me put it on my face on my neck at night time. But me have to wear filter. Me no wear filter around my boyfriend. When around my boyfriend it's natural segue. That's why me know say him like me. He like everything about me. Me cocker eye, everything, my big belly, everything. He like me. Yes. Him like me. Him like me. Cause when me around him, me no wear glasses, me no wear nothing. When me feel like put on my makeup. So him like me. He like me for everything. He like me. Me not hacks you. He never like me when they call me every day. Make sure they call me every single lunch, morning, noon, and night. You like me. You not like me. I'm gonna look here at me. In the next month or so, let me get Canada. And me sell some more sheep. We're gonna do a laser treatment and see if we can do it. I don't know nothing. Yes. I never do. When I look at me, I can't try to tell I hope I everybody. And see them like a spray milk of perfume. I mean, I nice expensive perfume. I mean, I lie there with nobody. And see them now, I go put on the other one. You see there? I go put on the other one. on my face. And this one I still lift it and make it firm. What I talk about? Go fry ya.